Hi guys, it's Sarah K here and welcome to my channel. If you do, thanks for stopping by and hit that lovely red subscribe button. I'm glad that you did. All my returning subs, thanks for stopping by. I always appreciate your visits. So today is a little different kind of video. This is going to be a versus, basically comparison, and this is to home products. So if you want to see what I'm about to do, like I said, these are two home products that the vendors actually contacted me and sent me one of each to make a comparison versus pros, cons video. Which one did I prefer at the end? So that's what I'm going to do for you guys. So these are two of the most popular vacuum robots. Yes, so let's go see which two I got. Like I said, I got two of them, and the first one I'm going to show you is the Yeedi, Y-E-E-D-I. If you haven't heard of it, this is the vacuum and mopping robot. Yeedi is the brand name. Let me show you what it looks like. And first of all, it comes with your guide and your quick start, which is going to tell you basically that you must fully charge before each use, and that is what I'm going to do with both of these before I get into the nitty-gritty part. So let's see what the Yeedi looks like. Hold on. Okay guys, so these are kind of heavy. So this is the Yeedi, and this is beautiful, you guys. It comes with a nice cloth protective cover here, and like I said, so this one is the Yeedi, and this is a white. Pretty big, huh? This one is somewhat heavy. This is your Yeedi. This is the back. It has the two wheels, and yeah. And they both, like I said, come with a charging station. Here's your charging station, and this is your cord, and then this is your brush that you will attach. As you can see, it's three-pronged brush, and this will go on the back, and I will get to that later. So second one you've probably heard of. I'm not sure which one is more popular nowadays, the Yeedi or this is the Roomba. Roomba? Yeah, Roomba. So this is the robot Roomba, and this is the Roomba 694. This is the other one. I know a lot of you probably already have these, maybe some of you don't, so this might help you determine which one you want to get. So same with this one, it has the guide, and it's going to have to charge it as well. So the Roomba one is a black and gray, and you guys, this one is beautiful as well. Check it out, nice size. On the back, it has the two wheels, and this one already has the three-prong brush already attached, which is good. I don't have to attach it myself. Charging station, cord, and so forth. So they all came with the same pieces. The vacuum itself, you have the brush attachment, and you have a charging station. So next clip is going to be of me setting up the chargers, and I'm going to time them how much they take or how long they take to charge, fully charge. So let's get to that. charge it. And this also says around 4 hours, which is about the same as the other one. So let's take this and let's once again look for the charging pads, which should be right here. So let's make sure these line up. And you can see the light is starting to blink.
Please scan the QR code on the robot to download the app and get started. Please switch on the power before charging.
So we have to turn on the power button before we put it on the charger, as she just said. So this is, we open it up, and here is your power button. So I'm going to turn it to on. I'm going to close it back, and then I'm going to place it back on.
Please scan the QR code on the robot to download the app and get started. Starting charging.
how to use the app to start the clean and to end and return to charging station. So I'm going to go to my phone and I'm going to find the Yeedi app. Sorry, there's a glare, but this is the Yeedi. Let's bring it up. So here is the app, what it looks like. So now I'm going to hit, this is auto clean, and this is a cleaning schedule or cleaning record. So I'm going to hit this auto clean button, and it's going to start and move off of its charging deck. So let's take a look. So I'm going to hit it, and you'll listen for the voice commands as well.
Starting cleaning.
Now I'm going to make it stop and return to, so we're going to go back to here. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to hit end. So I click end, and it stopped. So now I'm going to do return to charge. If you can see, return to charge.
Return to charge. Starting charging. Starting cleaning.
Alright guys, that was it. That was my review of the Yeedi and the Roomba robot vacuums. So yes, I did choose the Yeedi as my favorite and my pick between the two. It was more easy to use. The app was a lot easier to install and use as well. I just thought overall it did a better performance. So if you guys are interested, the link is below, and right now on Amazon for the Yeedi, it's a $50 off coupon, you guys. So really, really, really great deal for the Yeedi. I also put the link for the Roomba if you also think that one is better, but for me, the Yeedi one hands on. So, all right, guys, thanks for stopping by and have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. You guys, this will make for a great, actually, family fun Christmas present. I think that the family would enjoy. So, okay, guys, thanks for stopping by and happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, and until next time, peace out.